Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. I make this video to fulfill my extensive reading assignment, and thanks to my lecturer Miss Nida Husna who has given me the chance to make this video. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Syarifatun Nisa. I'm fifth semester of Department of English Education in the Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teachers Training, and my university at State Islamic University of Sharif Hidayatullah Jakarta. In this opportunity, I would like to tell you my review novel that I have read. This is the novel Responses Form, the novel title A Stranger in the Mirror. The author, Sidney Sheldon, the publisher, Pen Books. They are published in the 1977, the number of pages 302. And let's start with the story. This story began when there was a married couple. Frida was a plain-looking girl. She was never looking for the man before she met and married with Paul. Paul was a good butcher but a hopelessly incompetent businessman. Paul was having a butcher shop, and after their marriage, they have a son named Tobias. Tobias was a thin, spindly ledge child with a wistful face and the bride. Tobias was loved her mother very much, and also her mother. And Tobias always have and ask her mother affection, and her mother have a big dream about Tobias that in the future Tobias will be a superstar. And when Tobias 12 years old, he joined to the comedian competition and he won it. And when he was near high school, he fell in love with Ellen, and they were making love until Ellen was pregnant. And when she was pregnant, her father came to the school, and also Toby's mother came to the school, and Ellen's father asked him to marry her, but his mother didn't want his marriage occur because actually Tobias would be a superstar in the future, and because of that, her mother asked him to run away and went away from the house to the New York and for avoiding the marriage. And when he was in the New York, actually after a month, he has the information from his father that his mother was dead because of her attack, and because of that, he was very sad and he wanted to come back to his home, but his father didn't allow him to come back to the home because if he come back to the home, Ellen's father would took him to the jail. And after that, he found the job and he joined the army, and after the war, he met with Sam Winter. Sam Winter was very like his appearance and he wanted help him to become a superstar, but it didn't happen because of his secretary didn't allow Toby to meet with Sam. And because of that, he told it to his friend, and his friend gave him the solution of that he should join to the comedian school. And after that, when he joined the comedian school, he met with the secretary, and actually they were falling in love. And in the beginning of his performance, many people loved him, and many people applauded him about his performance. And because of that, one day, the President of United States invited him to perform in front of him, and when he was performed in front of the President United States and also his staff, the President loved him and applauded him. And because of his successful in the comedian, he invited to the White House, and at the White House they were held the party, and many producer and also the president's staff came to the party. And when Toby was on the stage, there was a woman who fell in love with him because of this girl was his friend's producer, so he should marry her. And actually, this marriage occurred, although he didn't love her. And for avoiding his wife, he went for performing his comedian to another country until one day his producer found her that his wife was sick and she was dead because of his illness. And fortunately, he was very happy because there was no his wife on his side. And when he was on the stage, there was a girl she was an artist and she wanted to become a popular artist like Toby. And because of Toby like her, he asked her to having a dinner with him, and actually she ignored him, and because of that he asked his managers Clifton Lawrence to talk about the having a dinner with him to Jill Castle, but at the same time Jill Castle ignored it, and because of Clifton Lawrence have knew Jill that she wanted to become an artist like Toby Temple, he suggested him to help the party that attending by the producer, and because of that, he told to her and he wanted to having a dinner with him. And in the party, Toby Temple introduced Jill Castle to many producers, and Jill Castle was very happy. And because of that, Toby Temple asked her to marry, and suddenly their marriage occurred and they become a couple, a happy couple, and Jill Castle became a famous artist. And when Toby Temple on the stage, he was having a stroke and he went to the hospital, and in the hospital Jill Castle kept him and recovering him until he really recovering. And because of there was Jill Castle ex, suddenly they met and then they talked about their selfish, and actually Jill Castle still loved him very much and they wanted married with him, and she has planned to leave Toby Temple and wanted to kill him. And when she left him, he has feeling that Jill Castle wanted to kill him. And the time when Jill Castle wanted to took him to the swimming pool exercise, she was drove him to the swimming pool, and after that Toby Temple was dead. Because of the death of the famous artist in the Hollywood, many news about him, and also the fans and also many people were sad because of him. And Jill Castle as his wife was asked by many people about the accident that happened to Toby Temple until he was dead. And after Toby Temple death, Clifton Lawrence met with David and he wanted to show the pornography video about the Jill Castle, that Jill Castle having a pornographic video when she was teenager. And after that, David looked the video and he was very shocked, and he met with Jill Castle and they were cancelled and never been married. And finally, after David and also Toby Temple left him, Jill was very depressed, and when she was on the boat, she looked to the water, and he looked the Toby's Temple face, and he wanted to follow him, but actually she dropped herself to the water, and finally she was dead. And this is the end of the story. Maybe just this from me. Thank you for your attention. And I suggest you to read this novel because I think this is the interesting novel and you can get many moral value. If you want to be a successful man, you can get you can you can reach your effort and also by working hard. And I'm sorry for my mistake. If you have the comment, you can put the comment. Thank you.